Hello, everyone. This is Luis Sayago, and I'm going to be the teacher for the lesson today. The lesson is called Addition. This is for a beginner level, and the teaching resources we're going to use are computer, internet, Canva user, and also Kahoot user. The time is 2 hours. The grade is for the first and it's gonna be done on virtual environment, but also the location is gonna be in Cúcuta Norte de Santander in Colombia. The skills we develop in this lesson are reading, writing, and listening. So I just prepared the warm-up. Okay, the objectives for this lesson are the student is able to understand and perform a basic addition. So I just prepared a warm-up where students should divide into teams. Meanwhile, me, the teacher, write addition problems in the board. So one of the students of each teams races to solve the problem on the board. And the first one that gets the board solve the problem, right? In front of the other students, right? At the end of the game, one of these teams wins. I just make sure every student participate in the game, and that's it for the warm-up. So on the presentation, I'm gonna use a virtual presentation that is an introduction to addition, and I just make sure students understand the concept of addition, right? And they're gonna understand the addition is a fundamental math skill for life, right? So, what is addition? Addition is to putting things together. You can add numbers to find out how many things you have in total, right? You can use fingers, you can use objects, for example, apples, orange, or anything you have in your classroom, right? Using fingers to add is a great technique, right? Hold up 3 fingers and then add one more. How many fingers do you have? 3 plus 1 equals 4, right? Just make sure the students do it with the fingers. So as I mentioned before, we can do it with apples. We can use, I don't know the name in English about this, but I remember in Spanish is the abaco. So if you have 4 apples and get 3 more, how many apples do you have in total, right? So we're gonna use 4 apples and we add 3, and 4 plus 3 is equal 7, right? Equal to 7. So I'm gonna ask some questions for the students. For example, what is 4 plus 3? How about 2 plus 5? Use and make sure the students use their fingers or drawings to find the answers, right? So at the end of this presentation, we're gonna play a game. Every student find a friend and take turns adding numbers, right? They're gonna use colorful crayons or yeah, I don't know, maybe anything they have in the classroom, right, to write the answers. So I'm just making sure they get engaged in the classroom and understand what is about addition, right? So yeah, that's it. That's all the presentation. This is made by me, Luis Sayago, the tutor for this class, and this class is called addition. Also, let's continue with the practice. A student must interact on Canva collaborative board I just prepared a collaborative board where the students propose addition to other students in order to practice what they learn in the class, right? So let me show you how to do it. We're gonna add a subtitle over here, and I don't know, maybe 3 plus 5 equal. Uh, and that's it. And another students just must to answer this to solve this addition, right? So the answer here is 8, right? So yeah, we're gonna fill this addition collaborative board, right? So on the other hand, in production, the students will identify how addition works and is able to solve and design a simple addition for other students. They just take turns doing this kind of shit. For example, 7 plus equal 15. How many fingers or how many apples or how many pencils or how many books do we miss or are missing to get 15, right? If I have 7, how many is missing to get 15? In this case, the first one is 8. So they must solve all these additions, right? So on the other hand, I have a math worksheet where I have to prepare um, I just prepared an addition roulette wheel for activity 1. So let me show you every student's most solve one of these addition. So let me show you how it works. So let me see, 6 plus 2, this is equal 8. So I just make sure every student participate in this addition roulette. So I'm gonna go with try again. And also for the activity 2 is called first grade addition challenge. And let me see, give me a moment. First grade addition challenge. Let me show you how it works. I I have done it on EducaPlay. The instructions are find the missing number to complete this Zoom, right? So how many fingers or Apple or cell phones or I don't know, anything you want are missing? How many fingers left to get 18 if I have 10, right? So in this case, the answer is 8, and that's it. 12 plus to get 15. I don't know, make sure if we get wrong, yeah, just get wrong. 6. Correct. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this kind of activity. In the activity 3, addition adventure, read the problem and solve. Addition adventure. Let me show you how it works. Albert has 2 cars and his friend gives him 4 more. 2 plus 4, how many cars does Albert have now? 2 plus 4 is 6. So it's okay. Yeah, yeah, we got 10 questions like this. A store sells 11 pencils. today and seven pencils tomorrow. How many pencils were sold in total? 11 plus 7 is 18, right? Yeah, and that's it. We have, as I told you before, we have 10 questions for this activity. And the activity 4 is addition matching, where the students have to match the addition problem with its correct answer. So let me show you how it works. For example, 2 plus 6 is 8. If the students get the wrong answer, just, yeah, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 9 is 14, and yeah, that's it. We got 8 pairs, so every student has 600 minutes. That's equal to 600 seconds. That's equal to 10 minutes. So sorry for that. And in activity 5, we're gonna do an addition quiz that we have over here in the assessment in the lesson plan. So we're gonna use Kahoot. Let me show you how it works. Works alone and yeah, classic mode. Okay, we're gonna use my name. My name is Luis. Okay, let's go. 2, 1, go. 5 plus 8. Let me see. 13 is correct. Next, next. 2 plus 7 is 9. So let me show you a wrong answer. 5 plus 5 is equals 9. Yeah, wrong answer. And the activity shows the correct answer is 10. So yeah, that's it. I just designed this worksheet. And yeah, with this quiz, we assessed what the students learn is in this lesson. So yeah, that's it for this class. So thank you for paying attention and have a good day.